must think I am joking with her.
Good morning, Miss Debbie. Mummy is not here.
I know, but one can't be too careful. Malcolm? Malcolm, come here.
It's what?
Malcolm, come here.
Oh, it's not the same fool she see her come with.
Is Bleacher bleaching? No, me can't believe this. Sister Consciousness, proud of all that is black. Sylvia, son of Bleach.
Miss Debbie.
Somebody tell me you was rubbing it up. And I defended you with my last breath.
Miss Debbie.
Shame Malcolm, you let me down, man.
Listen to me no man, Miss Debbie.
No, Malcolm.
Miss Debbie, me not bleach. Just a tone. My girlfriend did a bear some bump on my face with her dirty nails and them leave one leap a black spot. So, I got a doctor. I'll give her a key. I'll take her. Yeah.
What was that?
Got a doctor. He'll give me a cream to take out the blemish there.
So when this major accident take place, I see you almost daily, and I never notice any blemish in your lovely face.
You not notice my face?
In detail. Every time you shake your eyelash, I notice.
Eyelash?
You know what I mean. When you shave, I notice. It's a long time I've been watching you. Grow, mature, turn into a man.
Miss Debbie, what you really up to?
What you think?
I care when I think of that, you really up to. I can ask you something.
Anything.
You never have a child. How come?
No man was good enough for me to endure all that pain.
But all you know about pain, I never experienced it.
Malcolm, don't question me. I never come over here for an investigation or an interview. I heard about the excitement over here last night, so I just come to find out about it.
Your neighborhood watch really a work, man. His uncle Josh. You get a drive from your neighbor Kingston baby mother. So him come in last night. Drunk? And you know when Uncle drunk is paying eyes.
Him is a real alcoholic.
Uncle just love him drink. Especially when him at work.
I hate him.
It's dead day. Don't say that.
So is he still waiting on his Mariana to come back?
Still waiting.
Sick me stomach. So where is now? Still sleeping?
I'll drop off some food stuff by one of them friend then.
Who that, Jeremiah? By the way, him still a carry that little dirty bag over his shoulder?
Sleep with it. And call it him bag of tricks. Uncle is something else, you know.
What do you mean by that?
I don't even know how the car or everything when carry. All kind of food stuff. So, I jokingly said to him, Uncle, you bring the whole farm, man. And him said, I was going to bring a rabbit, but the neighbor Kingston baby mother said the car can't hold nothing more. Joke.
So what are you doing here so often?
Debbie, Uncle Josh is afraid to come as often as he like. Cheer up, mommy. It's a great distraction for me.
Give you time to roam and spread your wild oats with the little careless girl them. Malcolm, from your father dead, you ever take even one day to grieve?
I grieve every day. What do you expect man to get up on a ball like girl picnic?
You're so cute when you vex. Beg some more.
Miss Debbie, don't do that.
I'm just trying to cheer you up. Since you say you grieve every day.
Miss Debbie, it's one between you and Uncle Josh.
Forget about that. Let's just think of what's to happen between me no miss or auntie on the birth certificate. Just plain Deborah, Denise, Dunbar, Debbie for short.
So, it's like you really like me. That weird there.
Nothing wrong with that. As long as you keep it a secret.
I'm a girlfriend.
Me never asked you about no girlfriend. The stiffer the competition, the sweeter the prize. Go wash your face.
Miss Debbie.
Go and wash off the bleaching cream. Handsome. You know how long I have my eyes on you? About a girlfriend. And your mother don't have to know about this. And the other rendezvous I am planning for the both of us.
I don't know that. I think that is disrespectful.
What is disrespectful?
That me and you should. I don't even know how to say.
Disrespectful that me and you should be boyfriend and girlfriend?
That would be more like boyfriend and woman friend. Big woman friend.
I was expecting that response. Your parents grew you well. Thanks to me, to a lesser degree.
What do you mean? Debbie, what do you mean by thanks to you to a lesser degree?
Oh, blemish. Bleach your bleach. You know how many nights, how many weekends I had to babysit you? I watched you grow into this wonderful specimen of a man.
And you still would have want me and you?
Yes! Why do you think I shower you with all those expensive presents? By a BlackBerry torch. I've had 3. Because me and your mother's friend? Because you used to call me Auntie Debbie? You're slow. Lacking in experience. Not to worry. Auntie Debbie will teach you the ways of love.
I bet you if I was the aggressor, you would have said me now, no manners.
I'll tell you not pick me. As a matter of fact, in the ideal world, you should be chasing me. But me now wait on that.
What? You want to know something, Debbie? I'm not slow. I'm not inexperienced in the ways of love. One thing I know. You see me and you? We're not going to make it.
Whatever Debbie wants, Debbie gets.
And whatever Malcolm now give, Debbie can't get. Excuse me, let me put on some clothes.
You just hurry up and come outside here for me, see? This thing has got to stop now, man. It's exile young ones with me and you inside here, Malcolm. You're not leaving out here until you can tell me what is going on.
Mommy, why you behave like this? You can't just invade the space like that, you know?
Your space? You're paying rent inside here?
No!
You pay phone, water, light bill? You know how food is provided inside here?
No!
Until you start contributing to things in this house, you don't have any space. It's catch your catch.
You sure it's not you want some counseling? I'm going to make an appointment with a psychiatrist here.
So it's not my man now. You don't see mad yet. Malcolm, what you was doing out west?
Out west? Who you gonna fool?
Don't lie to me!
You never go to west for me!
Liar! So Mrs. Holloway don't know your face. What you was doing in the company of those notorious hoodlums, those are murderers!
Mrs. Holloway glasses want change to me.
Don't be disrespectful to your elders. I never bring you up that way, Malcolm.
When you get so violent.
I said I want to know what you was doing in the company of Piang and Tuluman.
Woman, watch my mouth. It wasn't me.
It's all right, Malcolm. It's quite all right. You will have to tell Mrs. Honeywell that to our face. Quite all right.
Woman, suppose you did box me.
So what you will do? Box my back? He's box you would box my back, Malcolm! My boss, you're coming out here. We're not living under the same roof here. What I tell you, you're coming out here. And as a matter of Joshie! You just hold your back. Come inside here. Come here, sis. Next thing you have, he circumcised to the waist. What a morning that would be. No mash thing ever would mash up. Where is Joshie!
Who did? Sylvia, make you make the place run down some man. So bush. Not even a little place to sit down, relax, have a little drink and read something. Sure, you know St. Joseph was alive and all this wouldn't happen. I tell you, say man, that is a bitch.
I look here, Joshie. I need your help. Me alone cannot manage this. Talk to your nephew for me. See if you can find out what is going on. This boy going to mad me.
Sylvia, calm yourself. Mind your cardiac arrest, you.
Kenna, Joshie, I feel like I'm going to burst.
Sylvia, exhale.
What?
I mean, inhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now talk to me.
That's not your fault.
Sylvia, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now what is it?
Ever since his father died, he's been acting strange. Mixing up with all kinds of undesirable characters. Going into areas that he's not supposed to. This is Honeywell. Could not believe that my son would be seen out west where I teach in the company of
Piang and Tulum. Who them?
As the student would say, two of the wickedest steppers. Hot steppers!
Sylvia, calm yourself. Sit down. Sylvia, give him time. Everybody grieve at the loss of a loved one different.
I know it must be hard on him to lose his father the way he has.
Yes.
But it's hard on me too. But I try. God knows just yet.
Now, Sylvia, nobody with the ball in no man.
I try to give this boy the love and support that he needs. But it's like him driving a wedge between me and him.
It won't work, it won't. Me can't take this. Sylvia,
You know that Malcolm stopped going to the university?
no. But that's serious. Dead or not dead, that's serious. Look, make me go there, make him call, make him come out here. Look, I'll tell you, tell you the news, and then young man, will you please come out here, please? That's serious. Dead or not dead, that's serious. Now, young man. Then I make you put so much powder on your face, master. Man, come go and wipe it off and come and sit down with me talk. Yes.
Joshie, that is not powder. That is bleaching cream.
Now, Sylvia, top chap. Bleaching what?
Bleaching cream.
Then you mean to tell me, say, my nephew, your son a bleach?
This worthless boy could never be my son. He swap it at hospital.
Bleaching? The act of removing stain to become lighter or white? You understand your blessed boy and the color of your skin? Now why would you want to contaminate that with a chemical? Hey? To be lighter or white is temporary. You are from a race of greatness, scientists, inventors, architectures. Stand tall, walk erect, hold up your head. That is what Mr. Marcus gave you that to me. Is this what our forebearers struggle and die for? Hey? You cannot afford to sell your natural beauty to a backlash chemical.
With all due respect, uncle, I'm not in the mood for no chat. We have business for go deal with.
Malcolm, come right back here.
Joshie, this is what I'm talking to you about. Exactly what I'm talking to you about, and it's your money, Jesus.
Sylvia, chill. Go and go take a chill pill and chill.
Well, kiss me.
Nobody now kiss nothing inside that pill. Go and go relax, man.
Well, all right, Joshie, you deal with it and watch me and clean from it.
Yeah, you blow me this stranics. Nobody the poor boy, I forgot I'm like saying, him a man, somebody so. If you don't go in night and they say, I'm not gonna like him, I idiot. What wrong with that over there, man? No, young man, talk to me. What?
No things, uncle.
Well, tell me them one by one. Start with the murderers.
With who?
Young and Tulu man.
Oh, man, there's him, man. No woman there, see, man.
I couldn't be your mother, your class, and that woman there, you see, man.
Uncle, she pressure me. She pressure me.
Oh, Lord. You must really take the to your father hard. How the first day you talk so loud.
We just need some time to deal with what me need to deal with.
All right. But what about young and Tulu man? Calm your nerves.
We don't know them as no murderer. Them father used to work with daddy and them asked me for one of him.
Oh! Then that Sylvia create so much excitement about boy, you tell them no. No, what about this university thing?
What sense that make?
What sense? Malcolm, you sure you talk with your brains?
Just cool, man, uncle.
Don't tell me the cool boy. Me not no fool. Talk to me.
You would understand.
Well, make me. A bright boy like you. You suck brilliance from your mother and your father, Jesus.
So just to me that our son, they swap me.
Forget that, remarks. Now, why would you want to give up your education?
Now search.
There you are. And Malcolm, you cannot search for the truth unless you have education. Even though your eyes open, you're blind. You in darkness. You will buckle.
Listen to me, uncle.
All right. May I listen?
We don't know when me I go through.
Well, tell me. Maybe go through it with you. Malcolm, if you run through hell bearing, maybe run through hell bearing with you. Just tell me.
Well,
Who that?
It's me, Debbie.
How are you, man?
I hope we're not intruding, but I'd like to speak to one of the owners of the house. Me say, me want to talk to one of the owner.
Malcolm, please to spray up the place with parasite.
I'm going to fix that, man, you see? One day is going to know who is the spray and who is the parasite. Look at you. You're so cute when you vex. So, have you thought about my proposition?
this Miss Debbie.
For the last time I said stop calling me Miss Debbie.
So what you want him to call you, Debbie?
By my married name, of course. I might be divorced, but still not letting go of the name.
Excuse me. We'll try to calm down, Uncle.
Sometimes I get the impression that you like my son in an intimate way.
Sylvia! How you could say a thing like that? Heavens declare! Me and Malcolm? The thought. Malcolm, who grew into my hands? Impossible. Never. Not taking anything away from you, you know, Sylvia. You have a gorgeous, desirable son. Well, desirable for girls in his age group. Oh, no, Sylvia. I am not a cougar.
I don't know, my love. Midlife crisis causes people to do strange things.
Tension, tension, tension. Everybody in this house so tense. Well, no cake for me, please, Sylvia. Some water, thanks. Hey, Sylvie, why we don't go by the club and have a drink? And make a decent change selling a house.
You don't know what to do with yourself. So Debbie is still into real estate?
Not really. But when the office have a difficult house to dispose of, them call me. Me say, Sylvia, you should have seen the last house I sell. Man, it was in a state. Dirty. Looked like the entire family was at war. Every wall, every partition, all parts of the flooring had holes in it. But you should have seen it now. The buyer had to say to me, you sure this is not a new house? Thank God for drywall and paint.
You care for your sin, don't come back to haunt you.
Whoever is without sin, let he or she cast the first stone. Me have to live. And in order to maintain my lifestyle, me have to make money.
Debbie, what more money you could need? When you divorce, leave your a rich woman. Not to mention, you were a very successful journalist.
Which woman you know can have too much money?
Me? Sometimes I feel like selling Joseph's construction business this house and just move to a smaller place. You don't feel like home anymore, Debbie.
Sylvia, stop talking rubbish. You sure it's not them ghetto picnic while you're thinking that way?
Deborah, Denise, Delisa. I will not have you classing those innocent children as ghetto picnic.
So what else could bring you to a decision like that?
My husband.
Oh? So did they talking to you now?
Oh, shut up. Joseph was planning on selling the business anyway. Said the extortion thing was too much to bear and it wasn't making enough money. Plus, you know my husband was never a political puppet.
I used to say to that man, Joseph Wilkins, be a wagonist. Any party in power, that is your party.
Not my husband. He would die first.
Exactly, him dead. Sylvia, I don't mean to be heartless, all right? But you see, in certain business, you can't be too sainty and wishy-washy. Thank God for my husband. ex. He was like a hitler in his law firm. It worked out very well for me.
Boy, Debbie, you're tough.
A survivor. Listen, I leave country with the sole purpose of making something with my life. And so far, I've done pretty well.
Just the gym, your private social gathering, the occasional house sale, and the plastic surgeries. For a country girl, you work up yourself well.
Oh, Sylvia, one other thing. I'm on the lookout for a nice young man.
Oh, Debbie, no, Debbie, stop it. Stop it now, man. Nasty.
Well, it don't have to be rich, you know. Although that would be a plus. Just independent. Me not take my hard-earned money and support no man.
Boy, you're showing that different side to the Debbie I know.
Sylvia, I just tried to cheer you up.
You know.
Take your mind off of Joseph.
It's hard. It's hard, Debbie.
It's hard for me too. As a friend, I share your sorrows and your pain.
Well, that's what friendship is about. Sharing each other's pain, burden, and darkest secret.
You know, Sylvia, I am so glad you're my true friend. I learned so much from you.
One thing you didn't learn though was how not to be flirty, but young boy.
Can't help it. I have this strange...
Hormonal imbalance.
There you go. I tell you too much of my business. Come, Sylvia, let's go and have a glass of wine.
No, Debbie, no man. I have to go and tidy up Malcolm's room.
Oh, man.
Oh, man, you know I'm not into the socializing thing anymore.
Please, Sylvia, take off the black clothes. 6 weeks of mourning is more than enough. You look like Parson John Crow.
All right, Debbie. But I'm not staying out too late. Remember the ghetto. People them to go and teach.
Oh, Sylvia, one other thing. Trust your friend. Whatever you do, don't sell your business.
Sylvia! Sylvia!
Who that, Joshie?
Yes, Sylvia, I want to show you 2 hell of a duck and nest down at the back there, so. Me say the whole place just full up of so insect, pest and parasite. The whole place want to fumigate. If me drink white rum and me tumble down, me no one girl like Debbie come finger me. Me drink the white
Uncle.
Yeah.
You're sure you can manage more?
I mean, didn't start yet. Malcolm, why am I getting chest and job of me, man? Me say, Malcolm, you know, says Jeremiah don't know how much me appreciate that little rum, you know. This is the real estate rum. Then call it Kulkula. It's drama. Hey, Malcolm, you said you had just take a sip out of this, so he could have cut you throat. And Malcolm, you can draw water in it, you know. If you draw water in it, it will bubble by you. Malcolm, you got to know how to blame it. But if you don't know if you blame it, it would have killed you. But you me drink all the while I may also. dead. Malcolm is still trying, but we have to walk with it. So Malcolm, as you were saying, anything can go, sir.
I get to run his uncle.
Yes, but that's how this one don't get to.
Maybe not, but they might adopt the ghetto mentality. You see, once you have something to give them, use them God. One day, Pastor, you don't have it, you're worse than Satan.
How are you, Satan? And at this place, the country people have broke their neck, but they want to live. Make them come, man, make them come. Me want with another country.
Uncle, now get closer to finding out everything.
Malcolm, how will you want to get your information from?
You have my scouts them in the streets.
Are you sure it's a bit of information, right? You sure it's reliable? Malcolm, mine I trap them, I said, we trap them.
Then you will do anything to avenge the death of my father. He was more than a father to everybody.
Really? In that case, me will infer.
Now, you might just complicate. You might just complicate matters, uncle.
What?
Well, you respect. You're a countryman. You don't understand the intricacies of town runnings.
How are you think it is if you catch thief a country? You just tell me where you want to and see if me not execute it like a executioner.
But you're sure?
Just test me.
All right, squaddy.
But Malcolm, remember now, no guns, no blood, no murder, many of them. They are
But they are a high executioner. Third person. This must be a miracle.
You can't go on that. But me not nasty up my son in my hand in nobody blood. And who would have want to kill your father? Eh? And what for?
You see, this country, your uncle, will never be better until we get rid of this so-called dance.
Explain yourself, Malcolm. Cause we no got no dance country, you know. All we got up there some paradial thief. But you see, between me and those farmers up a Roseville, we going to set a trap to catch those rats.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Malcolm, me can't tell you. Suppose I your friend them.
My friend them leave all the way from town to thief ground provision.
Master, thief go anywhere go thief. As long as thief see where thief want thief.
Well, my generation, we don't eat tough food.
No wonder we no look so. Overfed and undernourished. Malcolm, yeah, what is that? Banana chips. Oh no, weak.
That's how you think.
Hey, I grab you in that today, I grab you in that today, you say, Pini Wally. I don't know why I'm Malcolm. And the organic produce them a teeth, you know. Make them a teeth your stomach so high.
I guess our thief want the best.
What?
Uncle, how are you bring from country this time?
Me no care nothing. They tripping too short. But as you were saying about this dance,
And them run the communities. uncle. But, in a sense, you're right. A Don is more powerful than an MP. Don's align themselves to the two major political parties and get multi-million-dollar housing and road contracts as payoff. And they're not skill. Control the citizens. You say if a Don don't like you, you have to leave. And if you resist, they kill you and they burn you out.
All right, Malcolm, not talk no more. That's enough. Malcolm. So, what he's trying to tell me, sir, is that Jamaica got two governments? A damn government and a political government? Tell me, sir, you're joking.
A serious thing, uncle. And more time, the political government have less to the Don government.
Jamaica turn upside down to Ratacastle. Well, thank God only in a town those things are gone.
I'm everywhere, uncle. Everywhere.
Oh no! Not in my parish as St. Mary. You must want to see me turn their head back at them. I'm telling you, it's a pity that some of you waste the vote.
It all comes down to a lack of will to govern. Too much old people.
I don't know the old people argument there, sir. Because him don't me that town, we don't know. Me manage my farm very efficient. So, what about the police and soldiers?
Them trying, but demotivated. I wouldn't be surprised if none of them now work for the dance then.
Lord, my skin crawl at that thought.
Reality, Uncle Joshua. Reality.
Yes, but all of that got to do with the death of your father.
Well, Uncle, it's like this.
Who the river mama that? No, come in there, me alone. Come on, me alone. Listen, me alone.
Hi, Mally.
Hi, Mary. I want them ears. Are you there?
I have something of the utmost
Malcolm,
importance.
I got something of the most important to talk to you about. Come here.
Uncle, just give me a few minutes, please. This won't take long.
All right. Just a few.
Uncle, you can go outside. Please.
Well, imagine. Me and you got something to talk about of the utmost importance. And you is willing to give it up. They got chat to this old bastard.
Malcolm!
And Malcolm, remember to spray out the place. Because he's allergic to couscous.
Malcolm, is it? Sure.
What is it between you and Uncle Joshua?
Ask him. Shame him, good as shame, why I wouldn't tell you. Enough to say, him hates me and I reciprocate.
You're from St. Mary, right?
Yes, Malcolm, but what that have to do with him hating me?
Maybe, two of you kind of.
Malcolm! Listen, man. There's this very exclusive private social gathering up in the hills on Saturday night. And I would love if you would be my date.
Miss Debbie.
Cut out the plastic, Miss Debbie, no! Stop age me!
Debbie, me hear some very strange things going up to exclusive private social gatherings. So me now go. Plus me I'm a girl I go.
Big girl. That malnourished crate of bones you call me girl? Young man, look at what you pick up. You can give up salmon for sprat. She favor dry up scallion.
You can say anything. Because she's got what you want.
Sure it's not I've got what you need? I know everything that's going on out east. And you can't achieve your objectives without me. I'm a journalist and woman, remember? But you'll have to pay. And I'll take it in kind.
Debbie, you is a disgrace to every decent woman. You could be journalists, little more. You're way off track. And one more thing. You cannot get me because we don't want you.
That's right, Menendra. That's right. Make sure know you don't want her.
Oh, okay. It's where you come from.
All right, back there, somebody turn up. Right back there, somebody a little tone. Minute suspect. Minute suspect. Boy, you and Sylvia, best of friend. Best of friend with thief or son.
Why you don't mind your own business?
My nephew is my business. And it not gonna work.
Uncle, it's not what it seems.
It's not what it seems. How am I here? Mother, you don't know the she-devil. It's a witch, a modern-day honey palmer.
Well, since me's Annie Palmer, how much man me kill?
I will leave. Maybe not physically, but psychologically. You kill my mind, you kill the drive, you kill the ego. And when you're done, you make man feel worthless and insecure.
Uncle, it's all you know so much.
She, your father, me, come from the same district, Rosie as St. Mary. And Malcolm, I am not ashamed to tell you, I did love that girl. She lead me on, she lead me on, she lead me on. I was like a puppet from the string. Until one day, out of the blue, after she done yam me out, she come make me know, say, she can deal with a man with chop bush and fuck like that. I was so devastated and nearly commit murder.
What would I be doing with you? A little country farmer. Always smell like the bush you chop.
Me not smell like the bush when you take me money and yam me food. Yeah.
Most of the time, me give away the food.
So you're hungry and starving, malnourished family.
And as to the money
25.
What would I be doing with a broke pocket country farmer?
Me didn't have my money, and I am Malcolm. I want to deal with her.
Tell me something. The two of you, the inner things.
You mad?
The biggest mistake.
My ambition would have never lead me to grovel.
What is Maria here? You and Uncle?
Malcolm had said nothing happened.
You take the man food and 50 cents too.
You know we really not have to deal with this.
Well, man, Miss Denny. So, you and Uncle. I know you want me and you. Still, you're not partial.
Malcolm, all this happened when we were young. You see you? Me can't believe you could have harbored so much hatred in your heart for so long.
It hurts. The things that you said to me and what you do to me, them hurts. But I chew you up a long time. I am now just waiting on my Mariana to come back.
Damn fool! Malcolm, it's up to you. But there is no guarantee I will be there for you. I can't believe this. It's like a puss refusing butter.
Margot, how is she mean by that? She offer you butter?
I don't know what you're talking about. A sight she try to use for me.
You be careful. She is very smart. She will make you tell her things when not even you know so you are tell her. She will trick you.
Thanks, Uncle. Thanks. But don't underestimate the youths.
Oh no. Oh no. But youths at all times must learn to take instructions from their elders.
True. Hey, look how more we talk about youth versus old people.
What?
I mean, youth versus elders.
Oh.
Uncle, change your clothes. When you meet the soldier then.
So you have a army?
Just go and go change.
Me don't know when me ever put on. Margot, about this bleaching thing.
Uncle, go change your clothes.
Oh no, not so till you answer me.
All right. Now give some serious thought. I am from a race of greatness, scientists, inventors, architectures.
Architect, you idiot.
I know what that unit said.
My nephew would I want to cartelize him skin.
Uncle, what do you drink?
That's some chocolate tea.
Chocolate tea. You could run a boat.
You could have run a boat, yes. But for me, boat would have to have been a nice soft piece of moonshine, St. Vincent yam, a piece of dasheen, a nice dry piece of Trelawney yellow yam, with some tight cornmeal dumpling, back up with some hockey, cooked down in a some touch corn pork.
Glad I never do that. And a boat that would almost sink. I will stick to my chips.
Oh no, tush.
Uncle. So, what you think about the soldier there?
Me not think nothing about them, you know, Malcolm. Me not think nothing at all about them, you know. The only thing is that everything them talks around bun can.
How we going to burn in can?
Now, Malcolm, that is something I want to talk to you about.
Yes, uncle. No God, no blood. No
Malcolm!
No. I don't want you to think that well, it's not that I am in... Well,
What I am trying to say is that if...
Uncle, what is it?
Well, to be quite frank with you, I don't love how your friend then look how they sound.
What do you mean?
Well, they look serious, but they sound deadly.
I don't want to soft soap around here. So I can't deal.
Malcolm! There must be another way. What about the police?
Them too slow. I revenge more than I want it now.
Leave vengeance to God.
I'm turn passing to the right here.
Me no turn no passing, but it just don't feel right. Me not think me a go back down the video. Me not go back down the video.
Uncle. You can't turn back now. Once you meet my soldier, they use a soldier too.
But me a whole man.
When they be a whole soldier, you know what they do to traitors, uncle. Just imagine what would happen to the 2 away you are in, too deep to turn back now.
But now that me never take no water of allegiance, you know, me never take no water of allegiance, you know, me a go back on my country. Me a go back on my country. I come out of my way, you know, Malcolm. I say come out of my way.
Relax yourself now. Your nephew will protect you.
But then wait. She never say wait.
She must have vexed so we sleep out last night.
Come on, country.
Mommy.
Malcolm, I finally decided to sell the business.
Have mercy, another piece of confusion.
Sell? Why I sell the business? How you come to this irrational decision?
Malcolm, you wouldn't understand. Here.
Dear Mrs. Wilkins, now that Joseph dead, I demand that you move your B-I-Z-Z-I-N-E-E-Z-Z-E business out of my community. I have given you 2 months, and if you don't take heed, I am not care about the consequences. The damn bun can. Mummy, it's where I get this.
A man carried to school and handed it to me.
So because of this little piece of paper.
It's not the size of the paper, son, it's what it conveys.
You guys tell the business, Mummy. This business in the family from before May born.
Malcolm, listen to me.
No, Mummy. Listen to me. That I know done. Him could be breathing fire. The business now sell. Especially now that him threatening you.
But I was planning on selling it before.
Why in this threat your mind change? Uncle says something.
With this threat, your mind change.
You tell Penguin.
I don't want penguin in my business.
Pinwing? Who are pinwing? Pinwing no border.
penguin is the damn Kyoto West.
That then you got down east and west and not down south.
Tell a damn everywhere.
This a country and now run right.
Woman, now Buncan is the same person who sent come tell you to apply for teeth out of east. And him will get the minister to approve the transfer.
Same one.
So, because I refuse him offer, he might try to fry me up. You see that? I'm not trying to find out who killed my father. And the boy, I come tread my mother. Oh, and them things that make you become vicious and murder.
All right, Malcolm, all right. All right. Forget the note. Forget what the letter conveys. And let me just sell the business.
No!
No!
Thanks, uncle.
Malcolm, business bad anyway.
Business booming money. But for the politically selected few, and them alone, I share the scarce spoils and benefits.
Don't sell it.
That is one of the oldest black-owned business in the community. And it went shot at the net that black people can't maintain a business for any length of time.
A rent confused, the rent confused.
Malcolm, I am willing to give up the business for my sanity and our safety. Malcolm, I can't manage. I can't take the profit.
Mommy, you know that Daddy wasn't a selfish man. He was about 100 plaques upon him office walls, not to mention the trophies. We recognize his contribution to the community. Almost every youth that born before Daddy dead got touched in a positive way by generosity. And you think any idiot, so-called dumb, can challenge me? That would be war!
But remember, no Malcolm, no guns, no blood, no murder.
Uncle! Uncle!
You know what, make me come back to my country, yeah? Me going right back to my country. Oh. Because me not nasty man in nobody blood. I want them to be clean so that when my Mariana come back, she find them clean.
Joshy, answer that phone for me. And I'm not here.
Hello, Mrs. Wilkins' phone? No, she's not here. My name? But me can't give my name to strangers, sorry. No, me's a countryman, me come from another country, me I go back right away. Which address that? Me no know about no address. Look here, no man, we are question me for. Me a big man, you know, me no want nobody come bad and me go to all in the day, you know. Because me don't... What did you say? Ah, who you are tell figure? Hello? Hello?
Joshy, who was that?
It's what a caller want.
I know where caller want, where caller say.
What the caller say? Joshy!
Him say me's a female sex organ.
A what?
Him say, hey, Mr. Ho, ho, ho. A female sex organ.
Dear God, what more them want from me? They're not satisfied that they killed me husband already. What more them want from me?
That me I try to show you, mommy. I drawing you, I try to draw me out.
Me too. Hi. Me couldn't not call the bird.
What bird?
Penguin.
I'm not calling a penguin. I don't want penguin in my business. The easiest way out of this is to just sell this business.
Mommy, forget that. The business not sell.
I agree. business now sell. Sylvia, you don't remember how this business started?
Yes, Joshie. It was right after Joseph graduated from UTEC.
Chaos.
Well, it was chaos in those days. Right on that little veranda out west.
Out east. Out east.
Right there on the veranda.
Yes.
You remember, Joshie? You remember?
Oh, yes. Right out east. Same place where the business is today.
Yes.
At the U-Bahn. Sylvia, don't make nobody force you to sell your son birthplace.
Mommy, I have to find out who killed my father.
But
and
of
why.
course.
Are you right, uncle? Everything's around Buncar. Come threaten my mother.
I'm alright.
Threaten my mother. It's war.
War! Come, Malcolm!
Malcolm!
I know you there, ask for. And baby.
Sylvia.
I would like to know how many persons I gave my number to.
Sylvia, what you talking about?
Don't behave as if you don't know what I'm talking about. You bloody well know what I'm talking about.
What? Somebody phone your number for me? Oh, Sylvia. Sylvia. Sylvia, you would never believe what happened.
Test me. I don't want you to give up my number to every Tom, Dick, and Harry. As a matter of fact, I don't want you to give up my number to nobody.
Sylvia, calm yourself now.
Don't tell me to calm in my own house.
The tension in this house. It was a mistake. A careless mistake. My dear, I went to this very exclusive private social gathering up in the hills. And this old man, he said one said for me, about him is some big-time civil servant. So to get rid of him, I just give him the first 7 digits that pop up in my head. I never even realized them was yours.
I wonder how many people. Well, man, you gave me number to.
Well, let me see. There's Dimmy, and Cleon, and Shannon.
You're damn joking, all right? I don't want you to use my number as a dating service, Debbie.
Cynthia, man! Don't you think it's youthful to be chaste?
Man, stop behaving like them damn little careless girl. A dog of your age is no power.
Tension, tension, tension. Sylvia, careful you don't get a stroke. And you just distract me from what I really come over here to talk to you about. I come to tell you to talk to your son. He's headed down Danger Avenue.
Believe me, it's not the want of trying. But he's determined to find his father's kill, and there's nothing I can do about it.
So that fool Joshie, what purpose him, sir?
None whatsoever. Him is worse than Malcolm. Hear him. I'm in this too deep to turn back now.
the street out east that Malcolm bringing in men from the west to terrorize the people? What? The names Piang and Tuluman ring a bell?
Who Lord?
Well, there is also whisperings that Bonkan planning to attack the next time Malcolm is in the area. It's going to be all-out war.
No say so, no say so, no say so, no say so. The thought of losing my only child is too much to bear. Debbie, we have to rescue him.
We? It's not for the lack of trying on my part. I have done everything, and he will not surrender. Malcolm is an adult. He must learn to accept the consequences of his actions.
Yeah? Consequences or not, I have to find my child.
I hear there's a curfew.
No curfew can stop me from finding him. You claim to be my friend. I know that Know that I need you more than ever, Debbie. You turn your back on me?
Why you don't report him to the police?
You would have your only child and report him to the police?
If he was going to be a disgrace to me, report him, yes?
Shouldn't be asking you that question anyway.
Not having a child was my decision. And the way Malcolm is behaving, I wouldn't want that for my child.
Well, that happens to be mine. And I will do whatever in my power to save him.
Admit it, Sylvia. You're spoiling.
I do him the best way I know how. And in any case, you spoil him as well.
What do you mean by that?
Buying him all those expensive gifts. How's there an ulterior motive?
You're not implying.
I am not implying anything. How the saying goes, the one about the stone and the half pen.
Sylvia, as your friend, it would hurt me to the very core of my being to know that you would think that I could ever want a relationship with your son.
Your conscience bother you? I never said anything about a relationship.
I am not an idiot. I know fully well what it is saying means.
What saying?
The one about the stone and the half pen.
So why are you squealing? The stone hit you?
I would just hate to think that you, my friend, could believe that.
Debbie, you know something? Just forget it. Forget it. You're not coming with me or not?
I made it crystal clear. Malcolm must learn to accept the consequences of his actions.
So that means you're not coming. Well, I will have to protect him from all the consequences. A true friend indeed.
Cynthia, wait!
Look here, David, just hurry up and I need to go and look about my child.
I don't know why I'm doing this.
Okay.
Sylvia, I will go and make a few phone calls and get right back to you. And please note, my decision to help is totally independent of your fenke sarcasm.
Whatever the outcome, I'm fully prepared. The news report states intensified shooting, burning, and loss of lives. It's a miracle I survived the night. I beg Malcolm. I said, Malcolm, don't go there to sleep. Instead of having uncle sleeping out there with him too. God, if you're kind enough to spare their lives, as soon as they walk through this door, I'm going to kill them. Malcolm, thank you, Lord! Malcolm! What happened to your shoes? How will you get this ridiculous looking jacket?
It's not even one of the others keep at the office.
I'll take it off. What?
hear me?
I don't want to dead in my house.
Me not dead, me not get shot. Just listen. Ulu man get shot and him blood catch me.
Tulo man. So Mrs. Holloway was right. Marco, you lied to me. You looked me in the face and you lied to me. Mommy, watch me mouth. It was on me. You lied to me, Marco.
No, them two in the moment.
I don't want a social outcast.
And Mr. Easy the Mason, we used to work with Daddy too, son.
I don't know Mr. Mr. Easy. You mean Anthony and Philip?
Philip.
So it's when them turn Piang and Tulaman.
I stare right in the face of dead today. The thing get out of control. A curfew. You have a curfew in the area now. Lucky me get to escape.
Marco, what is that swelling at your side?
Mummy not tell us that it's all about war out there. I not even know who or what or when me get licked. But my side just swell up.
That's what happened when you don't want to listen. You come, let me have a look at it.
Never been, Mummy. I'm never trying to
It's all right, Malcolm. You just let me look at it. Then
no, just look at me, please. Just look at
Well, kiss me dead, Mother Jemima Spaulding. God, don't shoot me. I don't want no gunshot dead in my house. I'm not going to prison for no picnic. Malcolm, I beg you. I beseech you. I beg Malcolm. Where's my phone? I'm calling the police. Malcolm, where you get gun from?
It's Tuluman gone.
Tuluman gun? What you doing, Tuluman gun in my house?
You're going to do what, me about what you hear?
I want the whole world to know that I'm a gunman as a son. Jesus.
No, get rid of it.
Why you never get rid of me before you come here? Jesus, save your pilot me. No. No. Malcolm, so help me God. I promise you me and God never walk there and prosecution. Jeez. Where is your uncle? And don't tell me say you leave him out there in the curfew.
Uncle too stubborn.
What you mean him too stubborn? You get him into this mess.
Before things get eaten, we say, Uncle, make we leave the area. He said, no, his pun calling come from the pun calling way for him. I believe that man is a dopey.
You better shut him out and capture foolishness inside here, is it? What you mean by that?
But no man don't talk to him 1 minute. Me look beside me, him disappear.
Well, you better disappear and go find him. Or else is the army and the force coming after me.
Oh, yeah, call.
I'm calling them out to come pick up 2 dead bodies. Eternal Father bless them. That's it.
me no must alright. Mrs. Sylvia, I sick good last night. I think I was in Afghanistan. Sylvia, you know, say that boy already got a harm if he chew. Some boy you see gunman. Some of them all look like they can't fire boom. No, me no want to be a foot water. Mrs. Sylvia, I don't know where I get the strength from for run last night. But Bolter Blake couldn't catch me.
I have to go.
Wait, you is here? No man, don't go stay.
But this is a family affair.
Yes, but they be your like family.
Yes, one time you know could have called yourself family. Stay man, God and go sit down.
I am not taking any.
No, look how you go get me ignorant and black. I say go sit down. You is part of this drama. Mrs. Sylvia, while running, I realized that this boy is in serious danger. So I said to myself, say, I have to save him. So I said, I have to find Bun Khan.
The dad?
That which partner? This Bun Khan coming like say you want breast milk.
I really have to go.
What would you advise in the year 910? Nobody make me have to say that again. Sit down.
Uncle, you just said this your bun can. What you mean?
No fake Bun Khan we are look for.
So you mean to tell me, say, my soldiers give me wrong information? When them youth here?
And if you know, if you know, you keep your behind quiet.
Oh.
So Joshua, where you coming from?
Well, to cut a long story short, me I come from Buncania to police station, from police station to hospital, from hospital to here. So, Mrs. Sylvia, it's a good thing say Jamaica people still believe in Awobia.
Not my name Obia.
Not my name Awobia, ask them. Ask them. Because I'm sure every one of them out there either know either China lunch, know Asian, one a 4 year man or a bush doctor. It's all wild down to Awobia.
Excuse me, please.
Mrs. Sylvia, I was to put on a performance about Kanyard. Me go like say me I want good over man. And I spin me roll 3 times. And I look straight in about Kanyard. And I say, I am ball of fire, the greatest science man in all of Jamaica, and I come for the truth, and I don't want you to bend it, cause if you bend it, you cannot cross it, cause me will make peeny wall in your mouth, you yaya. Me will sleep in a coffin for as long as it take you to go in a one dead. Me say the poor young man was so frightened, him spilling gut. Tell me everything. Him say him is just a nephew to the real Bun Khan. Him say Joseph's death was a mistaken identity.
What?
Oh yes. And that is why the real Bun Khan had to run left the island. Same friend them in the force set it up so him could have leave. Him also say him no know nothing about no letter.
I definitely have to go now.
Why you such a rush, Miss Denny?
Answer the question again. Answer. Mrs. Sylvia, as me was about to leave Buncania, believing that everything was peace and safety, out of nowhere me hear a voice. Oh, what a one! And then me see one short little to come and come turn upside of me. And one of them can man shout out, "No man will be a man, we got your friend St. Mary." Sylvia, me no know where the little to man get a piece or two before from in her hand. And he start to give me some rotted later. Beef back, Bodo, beef back. In say last month him God said me we go thief cow. And somebody man them up they catch him and them beat him. Him say them beat him till him vomit. So anybody him catch from St. Mary, who will be a man or no who will be a man dead. Beef back, Bodo, beef back. I said the go to come and that me. When he come in like said the last better go come out of me man. Me drop a bomb. And me say, boss, me uncle Barna said Mary, but me not live there now. They took and said that was and he started to beat me again. Beef back, Bodo, beef back. Thank God for the arrival of the police and soldiers on the scene. Otherwise, it would be some that come pick up the car keys. Then fling about 10 away in the Black Maria. And then me see them carry somebody out of Moncton house dressed like Muslim and go put in the truck front. Me never recognize the person. And when me put on a police station, me realize who. Me never know say you are Muslim.
Sylvia, for the preservation of our friendship, please tell this lunatic to let me leave. What is really going on here?
Sylvia, I see the police take out a Buncan house.
What? When you want to Buncan yard, Miss Debbie? So it's him call me phone. I call Uncle Joshie.
No. I already explained that to Sylvia.
No, him not really understand. But him call everybody that too.
So Debbie, you was at Buncan's house? Sylvia, it was a mistake.
And the letter?
What letter? No letter.
Liar. You is a little liar. Tell me something. Who for handwriting this? Who for handwriting this?
You don't know my handwriting. Sylvia, you can't just come accuse me of something without having any proof.
That's how you think. Malcolm. Sylvia. Oh no, look at these and tell me what I notice.
Is this your handwriting?
I rest my case.
Explain yourself. Fast.
Sylvia?
And I don't want you to hear this mistake now, Debbie.
Look, Sylvia, when you told me that you was going to sell the place, well, I thought I could make a good commission from the sale. So, Buncan tell me to write this letter as if it's him, Buncan, write it to force you to sell. On reflection, that was so selfish of me.
That's not selfish. That's wicked. You know how much people could have died because of that letter?
Look at me.
Sylvia, I'm sorry. It was...
Don't say it. If you don't want to say my ugly side, Debbie, don't say it.
No, Sylvia, make she say it. She want a flagging. Thank God me never double. Sylvia. Then you never did know say she and Joseph used to play a dirty part.
What?
No.
What?
No, Sylvia. It's not like how that's making it out to be. Joseph was good and kind to me.
You're evil. I'm glad that Nina was good and kind to you.
Malcolm,
David! You mean to tell me that you betrayed our friendship?
poor judgment. Sylvia, it happened at my most vulnerable.
Stop chat far, Camille. Vulnerable to go to marry your best friend's husband.
But it was only one time.
Liar. I know that my brother tell me.
Sylvia, you can make one little mistake, mash up our friendship.
Get out of my house!
But look how far we're coming from. You're going to make a man.
My husband.
My husband.
Go!
But Sylvia, we are sisters. We are women.
Baby.
Female.
Baby, if you don't want to rip it to shreds inside you, go!
Sylvia.
You're deaf. You know you do man say if you go. All right, Sylvia, not take it so hard. Sorry, that means the one that have to be carrying the bad news. But Sylvia, come. Here. Take these. Letters that she write to your husband to con him. And Sylvia, me got some nice photo to show you, you know. But the one take one car, not take the one of them. I'm going to let that one and say me look on it and enjoy. Say me enjoy myself. Sylvia, I would be a wicked man to show you a picture like this. No, do not go into my you broke me and you know, Sylvia, I said, do not go into my life, me Anna.
Baby? In my bed? Naked? Joshy, come down to the station, come be a murder!
Where me water?
Put me arms right down, yeah. Can you give me the title? Me am I getting on my life? Now we just love you, squeeze yeah. I'll enjoy, I'm in a gear. Take it anytime, any. Mommy? Moms? Yeah, me just want to hold you. Put me on night ground. Yeah, you give me the time.
Malcolm, your mother not reach home yet.
Seriously, uncle. You know, sir, if Debbie ever sing or no, she only refuse you.
Don't mention that girl name to me at all. Your mother not reach home from work yet.
No, but you soon come, man. The traffic at this time, not easy.
Malcolm. Malcolm. Make sure me and your mother tell about mother kid and say, you must not peel anything into her sofa.
Yeah, but you're not hearing your uncle.
It no matter. At all times you must learn to honor the wishes of your mother. Get up out of the woman's sofa, man. With all your big dirty foot, then cock up in the woman's something like that for you. Are you buying? Get up. What am I going to do young people doing? I'm not going to hear so hard.
All right.
Don't tell me about that. All right. And pick up the orange skin off of the lady sofa. Nasty.
Hey, uncles. You know what? We'll go out on the east. For that tuku man.
We. No, massa. Toughly come for me, kid, no green.
Uncle man.
You remember what Kenny Rogers said? You must know when to pull up, know when to walk away, know when to run. All right. Once somebody couldn't give me so much liquor, me want to see them again. You must think me want my Mariana to come find my body chamba.
The traffic at this time on a Friday evening is horrendous. Joshie, you don't never remember. You don't never remember that you were leaving today. You know, tell me something. You didn't carry that thing?
Oh, everything copacetic, Sylvia.
Somebody give me a cool drink of water then.
But imagine, your mother asks you for a glass of water. And before you get the bag of your mother the water, you sit down there and talk about uncle. Eh? How kind of behavior that? Take your lazy body out of the chair and get the bag of your mother the water. What is wrong with the young people? What do you going to come out of it? I say get the water and get to your mother. I thought of me mama thirsty.
Joshie, before you go.
What is for Sylvia?
Something to warm your pocket.
Oh, Sylvia. You just deflate my pride and mash up my ego. I can't take money from you. We is like family. Me just want to tell you goodbye personally. Oh, to the country I must return. For my Mariana I deeply burn.
Hey, uncle, I make you move so romantic.
Make Mariana tell you about me and romance. Feel we love never know no bounds. We was like bees to honey, fish to hook, agate to mud. I don't know, say me feel like say when we go back from Mariana, we be there waiting.
Not a wait. 10 years. Not a line, not a letter, not a 50-cent stamp. Not a call. She's not waiting, Joshie. She's not waiting.
How you know say she never called Sylvia? How you know say she never called? Of course she called one time. And she makes me to be circumspect for her till she come back. And for 10 years now, me been circumspect.
Joshie, as mild as I can put it, she's not keeping herself circumspect for you.
That is the mildest I can put it.
She coming back. She coming back. I can feel it in my bones.
When you feel whatever you want to feel in your bones, but you're not coming back. Hey, son, Mariana probably find herself a little old man. Married, get her papers and gone about her business.
Oh no, not my Mariana. Mariana will never do that to me. She coming back, and if them never wait for another 20 years, me still have to wait for her. Oh, I need to chat Miss Sylvia. What about you and your so-called best friend?
Oh, baby.
Look here, no mention that girl name to me at all. Leave a bitter taste in my mouth.
When she call and say she'll be away for a few months, still asking for forgiveness, and claim all was a mistake.
A careless mistake.
So Joshie,
Yes.
how you did come by those stack of letters anyway?
Oh, I one time when me come up here, my brother did ask me if I go looking at it. It's not important, yeah. That girl, baby.
Your brother wasn't innocent either.
Oh no. Insane couldn't help himself. He said the things that when they be writing at them, the letter. When you read the letter, then you will see for yourself. was the most degrading and derogatory thing that any woman could have tell a man. So him had was to prove him manhood. Him said that girl Debbie is a vituperator.
A what?
You are the teacher and you fi know. So, what's next for you now, young man?
Well, now that the fake bunker in jail, and the other one gone, there's a vacancy.
Eternal Father, me alone cannot manage it.
Our
Straight to the station, I'm going to make them put you in. Straight. And you going down with him too. You going down with him.
Simeon, come back! I'm joking, mommy! You say you're not good, you know. You say you make your mama run up and down like when they tab hanging in on dead good. Yeah. Sylvia, joking, America. You know, Sylvia, if me was your heart, me attack you long time.
You know, I'm going to start the foolishness inside. You know, big man. And you, Malcolm, just as bad. Only not do me them things that are much too old or too old. You can't take no more.
All right.
Uncle Joshy.
Yeah.
Mummy. You see the day when Tuluman gets shot right beside me, and the beat your uncle get.
Hi. Hello.
Well, that was the turning point in my life. Things I've been through over these couple of weeks. When we know we can go through fire. It don't smell like smoke. I can turn every negative to a positive. That is my mission, Mummy.
Hi, Sylvia, I don't know about you, but I'm proud of my nephew.
And everything going to be alright, you know. As soon as them deport or extradite bunker.
I hate that word extradite. Causes civil servants and politicians to lose their jobs.
All prime ministers. Hi, hear me neighbor kill some baby mother, then me have to go now. Me go just take up my bag and go right around the back. Me not come back on us.
All right,
okay, yes.
You take care then.
Right.
I'm glad to with you. Wow. Your uncle is something else, you know.
We're missing though.
Oh yes, me too. But to the contrary, he must return. For his Mariana, he deeply burns.
Sylvia, the whole around so full of police.
Mummy, where it gone?
The gun, Joshie, he never carrying the gun.
Sylvia, me never remember.
Jesus, save your pilot.
Sylvia, you carry me.
Premises at 24 Excalibur Way, Kingston 8.
Sylvia, where we are going to?